Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Hurd again. I know you've been seeing Mrs. Kareem, but I just wanted to pop on and say hello, and I hope you all had a wonderful spring break. Um, if you get time, send me an email, something fun that you did over spring break. I think that would be awesome. I spent mine doing a lot of remodeling on my house. So that's been pretty fun getting a lot of projects done that I've needed to for a while. Today, though, I want to get into lesson 10.5 with you. You have been working with Mrs. Kareem on the customary units of measure. Those are units that we use in the United States for measuring things that require length, capacity, and things like that. I'm going to work with you today on the metric system. If you remember back to fourth grade, we worked on both the customary units and the metric units, and so we're just going to continue that here in fifth grade. Some big takeaways that I want to make known to you are how the metric system works. Now, when we're looking at the metric system, this is our metric system of measure. It has to do with kilo, hecto, deca, our base units, which are meters, liters, and grams, deci, centi, and milli. And they all have a value. Our big values are on this half. So I put that they're big, so you don't need a lot of them. You just need a little. On this side, we have our smaller units. These ones we need a lot of in order to equal the same amount as a big unit. So it's going to seem weird whenever we have decimeters, centimeters, millimeters, for example. We're going to need a lot of them in order to equal a hectometer or a decameter or a kilometer. So just things to keep in mind. When we're going from a big unit like kilo to a small unit like milli, we're going to end up multiplying. We're multiplying because we want the number to get larger because we need a lot of them. If we're going from a small unit like milli to a big unit like kilo, we're actually going to divide because we're going to have a lot of something and we need to only have a little bit of it because we're going to a very big value. So again, when we're moving this way, we're multiplying to get more. When we're moving this way on our metric system, we're going to be dividing because we want less.